This is the main display. In this particular case, this is the display for the boat completely. In this display I have integrated transducer, I have integrated autopilot, I have integrated GPS, I have integrated radar, I have integrated VHF radio. All of the systems are integrated in this central display or central computer or central unit or CPU. This is the computer that integrates all the sensors with the backbone. This is the computer 10 years ago, and this is the computer, the same manufacturer, I love Raymarine, the same manufacturer today. Can I install an autopilot in my boat with mechanical steering system? Yes, you can. You can. With mechanical system, it's possible. It's better with hydraulic. Yes, it's better. It's better with hydraulic system because it's more accurate and you have a less play and you have a better response. The pump is located here on the helm. You have the wheel, and in the bottom of the wheel is located the pump, and the pump have the reservoir integrated. The reservoir is located here. You can add the fluid here at the reservoir. That's the reservoir, and this is the wheel. Right? This is the pump. It's a mechanical pump. It's a mechanical hydraulic pump. It's mechanical because you activate the pump with your hand. When you move the wheel, the pump is activated. The reservoir is important for three important reasons. In the reservoir, I have the marks to indicate the level of the fluid, and also to indicate the color of the fluid. This is critical. The color of the fluid and the level is critical. Normally, the fluid should be located in the middle of the second window, the top window. In the middle of that window, the fluid should be located, and the rest in this area, in this compartment, should be full of air. This is another example of an outboard system. This is the helm. The reservoir, you check the return line connected with the helm and the cylinder in the back. Those are different type of boats with a reservoir located in between. The reservoir is critical. I recommend always install a reservoir. The other one is a servo cylinder. This is a servo cylinder. In this particular case, it's a hydraulic servo cylinder. It's a hydraulic servo cylinder. This servo cylinder is like this, my friends. This servo cylinder is like this. This one is not hydraulic. This one is electric servo cylinder. In this particular case, in this electric servo cylinder, the signal is coming from the computer of the autopilot. When the computer receives the signal from the GPS, the computer calculates how much is necessary, adjust the rudder, and this element is connected with the arm of the rudder, like the screen, like the picture that you have on the screen right now. If you check, there are two ports on top of the port side and starboard side. Those are the bleed ports. In order to bleed the air, you move the wheel in both directions and you bleed the air. Those are the bleeders points. Those are the bleeders points to bleed the air with the appropriated range. The bleed points, port side, starboard side, and this is the return. This is the computer of the autopilot. In the computer you have one position for power, positive and negative, and other position for the motor. This is the motor of the drive unit, position A and position B. Position A and position B. It's exactly the same like the new computer for autopilot system. In the new computer for autopilot system, you have the rudder sensor, the flush gate, and this is the power, positive and negative, and this is the motor, position A and position B, for the power assist for the hydraulic unit. I have another one here. This is nice because it's one helm on the fly bridge, other helm on the pilot helm, and look, they have the port side, the starboard side, the middle one, the return, and In the port and the starboard side, I install one T here, other T over there, and I go directly into the hydraulic unit or autopilot power unit or power pack autopilot unit. One side for starboard side, and other side for port side, and the middle one for the return. The rudder sensor work in parallel. With the arm of the rudder. Okay, this sensor, the cable, the wire enter directly in the position rudder. Here, the colors are blue, green, red, and the drain for the bonding system. Okay, the rudder sensor is connected, and now the compass, the heading sensor, is connected here on the flush gate position. With the same color code is blue, yellow, green, and red, and you follow the colors according to the computer. If the system have a NEMA 2000 backbone, I connect my computer with the backbone. If not, I connect directly my computer into the screen. And right now I have the screen, the computer, the sensors, and the power unit integrated in this screen separated.